Alright, so in this video I want to show y'all how to connect the Arduino to the Sphero, which is charging right now, with the Sparkfun Bluemate adapter. So first things first, you want to connect the Arduino with the Bluetooth to the Bluetooth. And so this blue jumper right here, you're going to want to connect a CTS and RTS. Those two signals, you're going to want to connect them together. You can't see it right here, but they're there. And then you're going to want to connect the transmit line, which on here is the green wire, to pin 2, and the receive line to pin 3. And then red power to 5 volts, and then ground to ground, of course. So from here, you're going to want to wake up your Sphero. Make sure it's nice and awake. It moves. Yeah. Excellent. Alright, and then we're going to plug the Arduino in. Now I've already loaded the program, but since the serial monitor is needed, we're going to open it up and it's going to relaunch the Arduino sketch, because that's what it does. If you notice, it's awake, the Bluetooth is awake, but it's not doing anything yet. Sphero's awake, Bluetooth's awake, everything's good, and now we start seeing text. So we initialize the Bluetooth, we enter into the command mode to send it some commands, and at that point we start scanning for Spheros. Now you want to make sure that this is a really rudimentary program. It'll only connect to the first Sphero that it sees. Hopefully that's the one you want to connect to, and in my case the password was, or the blinking combination was red, purple, red, which it's now connected. So in the default color for mine when it's connected is this light bluish color, which I really like. And if you can actually see, the connected signal is on, the connected LED is on, which is awesome. So you look at this text, it says connected, configuration complete, your Sphero will now auto-connect upon power up. And then of course have fun. So what does that mean? What that means is that the address and the baud rate and all of the different settings needed to connect to the Sphero have been saved into the Bluetooth module. So if we went ahead and unplugged everything, did a power cycle, of course Arduino is going to complain because the serial monitor's up, yada yada yada. But more importantly, Sphero's disconnected now, and there's no power. So you can see it starts blinking the same pattern to try to connect. Now if we plug this back in, for, just to prove that it's coming back up on its own and not because of the same signals are being transmitted, I'll disconnect those two. You don't have to do this. This is just to prove a point. So we reconnect, give the system power, and then if we look at both, see, look at that, look, nothing. I'll unplug. Sphero will get disconnected, and it's waiting for a connection, and then we plug it back in. And just like that, it's connected again. We can start sending it commands. So the second program I want to load is the other example that I've made, which is really simple, which uses the very basic Sphero library that I created. It's called Spin Me Right Round, and as you might be able to guess, it'll just spin around, just like the music. So we're going to plug these two signals back in because they're kind of needed. And so now what we're going to do, we're going to load this program in. Load it, uploading. And we're done. We're going to put the Sphero on the ground. And now what we're going to do is we're going to restart. We're going to restart this. Maybe a power cycle. Make sure it auto connects. Ah, there we go. Yes. So you see, it auto connected. Just needed a power cycle. And now, it's a better view right there. It's a little basic, and it's a little messy. But it's spinning right around. So yeah, that is how you connect to a Sphero using an Arduino. Have fun.